Maker's bar.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Buddy.
Brad's feeling good this morning. We're here at the Clarksburg airport. Getting ready to head down to Florida to get this truck. That's a big airport. Not really. I'm getting ready to go check our bags in and get ready to start going through TSA and all that fun stuff and see if I can get my camera through. Boarding the plane now.
Yeah.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
Yeah, dude, I have no idea. I don't even know. Oh gosh.
Oh, I'm recording again, yeah. Make our way to a baggage claim. That in the car. And I don't think you can't smoke it around anymore.
Yeah, just bring it back. Wow. And then you smoke it.
Don't stop. Please move forward.
What the hell? Getting yelled at.
I'm glad you all heard that too.
Yeah.
Their personality.
Well, this is all new, I think. Since last time I was down here.
So we go to Allen.
I don't know what belt bag I'm on. Clarksburg, 115, that's us. Alright, made down here in Florida. Got this truck. Get ready to tear it in the shop here. And I'll give you a walk around. She's a beaut. We're gonna pull it in with this cammed up Dakota here. The brakes work? That's the game changer, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a little different.
Why does it start cranking so slow?
I got a parasitic draw, so it's killing the battery, and my aftermarket voltage regulator was loose. One of many things I still have to get fixed on it.
Projects.
Yeah. And the last thing in the world I want to do on my days off working on the car.
Yeah. So we got new wipers. That's good. This is my 1986 Dodge. It's got about, I think that's 8 wires in there cut as far as the mileage goes. The lizard. Oh, I got a friend in there. Hey, buddy. These things are everywhere down here. I saw one jump off a tree when I was at the Dollar General. Bed's pretty solid. It's about the best part on the truck. Till you get to the tailgate. Bradley thought we was gonna go home in that Dodge. He was confused. We're taking this jewel right here. Bed's solid, doors are shot. The inside looked like a soup kitchen. This truck was supposed to be a parts truck, but then I just went and bought the whole thing. Got some expert roof proofing on the top here. Oh, we got pile parts. We got a good 318 with some great stuff, blocking stuff off. Now my buddy Alex had this truck rolled over. Carburetor's frozen. That's gonna be probably last priority. Yeah, well, keep the cards there. Keep the door cards. These are all the stuff I think for Modelo and underlay. I'm not sure why this was parked or swap around. I'm assuming it's this gas saving ignition system, which I got a problem solver for that. Or maybe the cats are clogged up. But I'm just going to throw a battery in here and see if we can whirl her over here. I don't think the ground's hooked up though. I'm not sure what was going on here. Oh,
It's Clearwater CD, in case we need to push some jams up.
Scorbies.
In case you wondered where this thing probably came from, maybe Citrus Chrysler.
What's up?
Dad City, Dade City, Florida. Service Parts Department Body Shop. Courtesy, yeah.
So I got the solution to his ignition problem. GM HEI module.
Oh, yeah.
We'll make it run.
Huh?
Merry Christmas.
Oh, well, I get the old distributor. And just so you know, you can't take these on the airplane.
Bring batteries?
No, the batteries are here.
Ship them down?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, you just can't bring the battery.
Valve cover spreader bars.
No, you can. You just gotta tape them up. That's beyond your carry-on.
You gotta carry them in your hand. I remember my brother,
Huh?
he had to get drill batteries in his hand on the airplane.
Seriously?
It was funny.
Well, mine said you just had, at the end there, you had to tape it up. You just had to tape up so they wouldn't bump into anything short out. So I taped, they didn't even check them on my camera batteries. Right now, we just gotta get Make sure it turns over still. Man, probably start running a carburetor and distributor after that.
Did you buy a starter?
I did not. It don't look very good, does it?
Well, looks like it would be very easy to figure out if it works or not with a screwdriver.
You just clean up. You can put the battery in, clean shit up, go ahead and take AC and shit out of it, and clean this in, you got her into work, okay? Fuel filters doesn't have a line going to fucking. That's all it is.
Huh?
No, then I'm just mumbling.
Mumbling. Yeah, it looked like someone tried to get started there before. That fuel filter is down there. Like it had a fuel tank on it before or something.
Just try bottle feeding it.
Well, that's what I was going to do. After I make sure it turns over, dump down some of the carb or something.
Check all the fluids.
Yeah, just to see if there's
Dry radiator.
yeah. They don't need nothing like that
To fire it up for a couple minutes,
Yeah.
but yeah, well, still.
Yeah, drywall screws. Cause why not?
Why not? What's your one speed, Benny?
Blake, your door's clean off.
Wrench come like that out of the box?
What? Oh, shitty? Yeah. Well, what's wrong? Is it crooked?
Oh, no, it was just shining in the light. It looked like it was like a brush that we hit with an angle grinder.
Oh.
Shit out.
Yeah, getting electric out, cheating. Am I still recording? Yeah. It does the starter stuff out in here.
What is it? What is it? I didn't hear you.
Solenoid's on there for the starter.
What's the wires just hanging there?
Wires just hanging there.
4 solenoid?
Yeah, like where
4 post, 3 post solenoid?
4 posts, I think where the rod sticks into. Alright, let's see if we can crank it up here. And it ain't gonna work. I wonder if that port's in here. That's a bad sign. That's a real bad sign there.
Freeze plug?
Hey, there's another freeze plug. Yeah.
There's oil in it though, dude.
There's oil in it. Don't mean the block ain't crocked.
Better than. You want to just throw water in it right now? And this one's about antifreeze.
No, don't put it on. I ain't freezing it. I hit the freaking frame.
You need a better light.
Oh, it's got a little bit of gallop in it, but it turns over good. I already found some freeze plugs in the cab, so we're gonna fill it up with water here. I got this stuck in. Oh god! Let's see if we got a hole in the block. Oh. Oh, that's pretty well full, ain't it?
Half pound, so far so good.
It's definitely coming.
Here,
How much you got on it?
almost a pound.
Oh, just a pound?
Almost to the red zone.
Oh. Almost 16.
There's 1 pound, exactly.
Oh hell, we're good. We had a big hole in it, in the motor. It wouldn't even do anything. We definitely do have a leak.
Got some tricklets going on down here in the front.
Oh man, good thing we got radiator.
Yep, radiator coming out.
All right. Well, I got a radiator. All right, so maybe it's false alarm on the grease plugs. I'll get on the ignition there. Well, I wonder if there's antifreeze in it then. At all. Holy shit! I went all the way down there.
Oh yeah. Drink.
All water.
Rusty muck.
Rusty muck, yeah. Do you think this works? Keep the AC in?
Yeah.
No, you're gonna be like that. Everything's gonna be different. It's a good thing. Collider's that boy.
Leatherman, I'm ready for all occasions. He would have done his, dude. There ain't nothing, dude. Dry.
What?
Oh, those have cage nuts on them too. Oh, that's going to the rad support. Otherwise, you have to put those brackets back on there, dude. You see that?
Well,
That condenser. The way this radiator mounts, you have to put that bracket at least back on there.
I could just hang out there too, really. You have to do the training lines too.
Pull that condenser up out of here. So you might want them brackets, dude.
Find some nuts in the getting place out.
You got a scrap metal bin?
Yeah, it's right over there behind my blue truck. Just anywhere. You'll see the scrap pile.
Yeah. That's
Where's your crimpy doodles at, dude? Transmission line. A little bit of braiding to it. How many foot you got there? It's only 3
Well,
foot.
enough. Fucking land it right there.
Okay,
Just
fair enough.
that.
No, I got you, dude. I got you, dude.
something.
Clamp to hold it, and then pop it, dude. No, I'm with you, dude. I get you. I'm on the same. Oh yeah, dude. Look at this guy. All day.
Well, get the camera on.
What do you mean? It's not on?
It's on, but I don't think it's facing him. Hit the back side of it.
I got a
All
Oh,
day.
yeah. It's a slob. I'm showing, look at it.
Straight ingenuity.
Straight in, get the headlights working again, so we're making progress.
The grill pull release.
Yeah.
The grill pull release.
Yeah.
The ram's holding on by a thread.
Did it latch?
Yeah, no, it released. You got the safety.
sweet. One thing fixed.
One thing fixed. Beautiful.
The old bunghole there, the hood release. Bunghole.
All right, back second day on this Dodge. Lost the starter last night, then we kind of had the wind taken out of ourselves. Got a new starter at the parts store. Okay, we're gonna get rolled over top dead center here. Get this distributor out so I can do the upgrade on the HEI system.
Ahoy, Captain.
All right. Cool bearing.
They don't have that up on these like the bearings in the hub and shit, or the rotary, is it?
Nah. Well, yeah. That's what it is.
Is that what it is?
Alrighty, well. I don't know if it's supposed to have a gear or not. I thought the instructions said switch to gear.
Say what's your...
That's a brand new factory one. Well, here's a brand new factory one, so I guess he's just the old driver and that's it. And the cam runs the oil pump and this runs, I don't know. It's a 318, I don't know, both parts. Yeah, I thought that was weird.
Is that what you read last night? It said swap gear. Normally they got that
I'm
cool.
thinking about my Studebaker. Or no, probably something for a drill or something. Alright, well here's one replaced with it's the HEI. It's got the same nonsense gear on it. We'll get this put down in. That way we should only need power and ground to get this thing fired.
Maybe just a wrench with that
The
big.
rest is right there. It'll do that big.
Yeah, I'd rather have a wrench, Tony. Oh, she went. Get down in there, throw that thing down in there now, huh?
Well,
You're probably gonna have to get some
Well, the way
plug
to
to
get
plug
this-
out. What was that?
that's oil sensor. So it's gonna spray oil out. So I gotta wait till Alex gets the gauges here because we should be able, where that screw down in, should be able to put the gauge.
Gauge
right there.
dairy down into it
Yeah.
rather than.
We gotta get these old calipers off so we get the bearings greased. Brad already took the retainers off. I'm pretty sure these hoses are junk. They usually are after you feel that these vehicles sit. They just collapse. Yeah, that is not moving.
Dude, I'm getting hit up by the BBW goddess, dude.
Try to just put a little bit of heat on. Oh God! What? Oh God!
Jesus, you shot shit all the way across the draw.
That was the piston. Yes, maybe we need calipers too. Because it's not compressing. I don't know what brakes are working then. Oh, now fluid's coming out of it. Alright, trick to get these off, try to save the seal. You put your nut on there after you get the bearing off. Slide her out to a downward angle. Just give her a jerk like that. Now you don't have to get a new seal.
I'll use a nut to pull it.
Yeah, use the nut, yeah, because it catches this bearing and just pops it straight out.
Yeah.
Alright, I got HD, AD, or whatever that shit is. I need to be working on a truck about polish these wheels. From looking like that to that already. So they're going to clean up real nice. And they'll go on the truck if I get the truck fixed. So I need to get back on it.
Mickey Mouse. What is it? 3/8 half inch? Jesus Christ, you get a thermostat and shit?
Huh?
Did you get a thermostat?
Yeah.
And a water outlet?
Yeah.
Did you?
Yep, here.
Well, give me something. I'll take this shit off, dude. That right there looks gross as f.
That ratchet right there had a half inch on its swivel. Underneath here trying to get the starter off because it died last night. There we go. Huh? Don't worry about what's in there.
Where we at?
Make sure you use that gasket. That's important.
Well, yeah, I'm just.
Just like that.
Yeah. And the two studs, but then we ain't got no extra studs. They bolts. Those are bolts.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
You forgot about it.
No, I don't even remember taking this carburetor off last night, dude.
Oh yeah, I guess you sucker into it.
Oh, I'm sure. Don't take much. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, Tony. Might have to bump these studs, get these things good.
A little tight.
He's a little taut, dude.
Let's see. That's probably when you was drunk, you was sitting there jerking on it.
Probably.
Let's see. This is what you get when you buy stuff from China. See, all the holes are same size except for that one. Look at that. Get all those shavings on your carburetor. Perfect.
Problem solved.
Problem solved. Look at all the shavings coming out.
You know,
Oh, yeah.
you know, it'll be the my belly button start small fire down there.
Oh, I still don't want to fit. No, come on, China.
It's not bound up on anything, dude. It's not falling
No, that one stud's a little kinked down, I can see it. Alright, get the carburetor on, get the distributor on. Don't get any vacuum lines plugged off. I'll dump some fuel in here and see what happens. Hot wire to the battery now. See if this thing will at least bust off a little bit before we get any further.
You started, you just tried. She's thirsty. Here's something already. You sure we're getting spark?
Huh?
I mean, it started to kick off. Sounds like you're getting spark, but are you sure you're getting spark? Okay.
Here, why don't you plug off some of the, let's plug off some of these vacuum lines, maybe.
Sucking too much air.
Maybe.
It should have burped by now.
Huh?
It should have burped by now. You sure you got the firing order right?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
It's that
Well, then if it was off, I think it would get poof.
backfire. Yeah. Something.
I had the same problem with my truck, and that's he was off.
Well, that's
3.
yeah. There you go, Tony. Good. Alive.
He runs! Get the fuel pump off. And then fool around with this. Let's get to where we can get it running good and see if we got do something with this throttle linkage or I don't know what.
Yeah.
Alright, get it scraped up and cleaned up. We'll put the pump on. Get this chunk off. Alright, get the fuel pump put on there and a little bit more gas to give her so we can get this thing to bust off and sit here and idle a little bit and then see if there's a return line, see if fuel starts dumping out. Oh! Let's crank her up. Alright, when the truck runs, and then we'll sit here and idle. Now we gotta see if it'll pull from the fuel tank.
There's a starter trigger. Squeeze.
Give it a couple pumps.
Here.
Give it a couple pumps.
Here, you do it.
Oh yeah. Come on, baby, pull. Pull, baby, pull, baby, pull, pull, pull. Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, baby. Oh, look at the crap coming out. Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Sucking?
Oh, yeah. Freaking stripper there.
What's leaking?
Huh?
Something's leaking.
Training
Water
fluid.
pump? No. It was water pump. Shit dumping out.
Oh, shit
obviously there's no letter hose on it, but.
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, I think it was
Great success.
water.
Yeah.
Very excited, very excited. Great success.
Very good. King of the castle.
Hey, this is my sister, #1 hooker in all Kazakhstan.
Rah rah rah. Rah rah rah.